How to copy your profile link on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to copy your profile link on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just go down until you find here this one. Click on your profile, and after you click on it, just click these 3 points and then just click copy link to profile, and now your profile link has been copied, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.